What I'm about to show you is a process and a solution to care for any plant you have in your garden, as well as the proper way to care for them. This method works across the board, meaning most plants will benefit from it. So stick around, because by the end of this, you're going to look at your garden completely differently. What I have here is a baby, or seedling, cherry tomato plant. And you can see it's still in its early growing stage. Look at the stem. It's thin, it's still a little soft, nowhere near strong enough to support itself yet. The leaves are small, a light shade of green, and there's only a couple sets of them so far. The root system underneath is just as delicate. Barely established, still spreading out for the first time. This is genuinely the most fragile point in this plant's entire life. To start, we're going to add into the jar a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is one of nature's strongest natural antifungals, and it's going to help protect the seedling's roots from disease before it even has a chance to start. Followed by hot water. The hot water is going to help break down and release those active compounds from the turmeric, allowing them to fully infuse into the water instead of just sitting there as powder. This is what turns it from a spice into a solution the plant can actually use. We're going to let it steep for around 2 to 3 hours. This gives the hot water enough time to fully draw out the curcumin and other active compounds from the turmeric. After 3 hours, give it one last good stir, just to make sure everything's fully combined and nothing's settled at the bottom. Then grab a fine strainer, or even a coffee filter works fine, and strain it out, getting rid of any leftover turmeric powder or residue. Take your time with this part. You don't want any grit sneaking through. What we're left with is a clean, golden solution, ready to go straight to work on our seedling. Finally, the last ingredient we're going to add in is a teaspoon of honey. Then we're going to dilute it with a bit more water, because honey and turmeric together create a really powerful combination. The honey brings natural antibacterial properties and gives the seedling a gentle boost of energy, while the turmeric keeps protecting against fungus. Together, they cover both sides of what a fragile seedling like this actually needs.
With the solution ready, we're going to fill it into a watering can. This just makes it so much easier to control, especially with a seedling this small. You don't want to be pouring straight from the jar and risking a flood.
Before we even think about watering the plant, we need to loosen the soil first. Just gently work around the base with your fingers. Nothing aggressive, we're not digging the seedling up, just breaking up that top layer so it's not compacted. This matters more than people realize. If the soil's packed down tight, the solution's just going to run straight off the top instead of actually soaking in and reaching the roots where it's needed. Then, water it down with normal water first. This helps pre-moisten the soil, so when we add our turmeric and honey solution next, it spreads evenly instead of pooling in one spot. Then, we begin watering it with the solution. Pour slowly and go all the way around the base, not just one spot, so the roots get even coverage. Let it soak in naturally. There's no need to rush this part. Remember to set this as a routine care. This isn't a one-time fix. Do this once every week or two, and you're gonna see this seedling turn into a strong, healthy plant that's ready to actually produce tomatoes down the line. After 2 weeks, you can see the plant's been growing nicely. The stem's noticeably thicker now, sturdy enough to hold itself up without any support at all. The leaves are darker, fuller, and there's a lot more of them than when we started. What used to be just a couple thin sets is now a full, healthy cluster. And if you look closely, you can already see new growth pushing out at the top, along with a few fresh leaves just starting to unfurl. This seedling isn't just surviving anymore, it's actually thriving. This is also proof that you don't need expensive fertilizers or complicated routines to grow healthy plants. Just a couple ingredients from your kitchen, a little consistency, and genuinely, that's all it takes. And there you have it. From a fragile little seedling to a strong and thriving cherry tomato plant, all with 2 ingredients you already have sitting in your kitchen. If you're growing your own seedlings right now, give this a try and let me know how it goes for you in the comments. And if this helped you out, a like and a subscribe means a lot and helps me keep bringing you videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.